Right after nung warm-up natin, sir, set na natin yung dumbbells natin. Konting breather lang. Then, set natin yung dumbbells ng 15 to 30 pounds or kung kaya mas mabigat, mas maganda. So, 10 repetitions lang tayo, then 4 sets tayo sa deadlift na to. So, dumbbells sa side. And then, dito, hindi na magbe-bend yung likod. Okay, hinge forward, hinge. Kung hanggang saan kaya pinakamababa na hindi magdadrop yung lower back natin. Ito yung pinakaayaw natin, sir. So, keep it like this. Pull your shoulders back towards your spine or shoulders away from your ears. Down, exhale up. So, deadlift. Pakita natin. Again, 10, 4. 10 reps, 4 sets. So, from your side, make sure malapit yung dumbbell sa katawan. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale. Huwag i-drop yung shoulders. Rise up. So, check. Shoulders, back, up. Again. Butt goes back, hinge forward, flat pa rin yung likod, shoulders back, rise up. Okay? Iiwasan natin mag-arch yung likod. Feel the stretch sa hamstrings, sa likod ng legs. Down. Up. Hinge forward, abs brace. Then, up. So, 10 repetitions, then 4 sets po ng deadlift.